Wona bafethu sonke sibonile that DJ Sbu uveze ukuthi rejecta u-1 billion rands kubantu ababefuna ukuthenga i-Mofire and he declined it. The question is wena wawungayi-decline yini? But when I'm telling you Sbu right now as a mentor with no bra, this is a huge fucking lie. Mina nje I will take the billion rand without hesitation. Ngeke. So lento lena ivele yathi nje buku social media abantu bephikisana ukuthi ngabe ngempela yini i-Mofire does it worth 1 billion rand. So it's up to you lapho ekhaya ukuthi wena uthini. Please like, share and comment. Ungakhohlwa ke ukupressa lelo button la subscribe for more content. Lokho kuyasiza kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siqhubeke silethele lo msebenzi siwenzayo. Bafethu nansi into DJ Sbu 1 billion rand uthi cha akafuni lutho ngeMofire yakhe. But wena, what do you say about it? Let's go to the social media and find out ukuthi bathini and what really happened. Ngoba la mhlawumbe lento ngiyikha nje phezulu. But Sbu my brother. Yeah, you be lonely, but I don't care who you are. But Faith, you are watching Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion. Let's go. All right. Nangu Sibulana. Buda Maburuda. DJ Sbu claims he turned down 1 billion rands Mofire buyout offer. Nah. Should see in a recent MTN Pursuit Hustle Hub clip, lokhiba viral njengoba sibona la kuma social, DJ Sbu explained ukuthi why he rejected this huge massive buyout from Mofire. Uthi ke the Hustlers drink or Hustlers energy drink le yalonjwa ngo-2015 behambisana kanye nomunye ubhuti lapha kuthiwa uSphiwe Shongo as a co-founder. Uyakhumbula ukuthi uya-emphasize ke lapha ukuthi no. Lento lena it's even bigger for it's even bigger future deals izwa leyo nto. So but most online responses questions the claim, joking about its value or calling its stretch. Nami lento ade ngichaze ekuqaleni ukuthi ngempela ngabe i-Mofire fethu ibiza malini guys, like let's say nje ngempela siyasho ukuthi how much does it worth, while supporters see as it's a proof of black owned business success in a 4 to 5 billion market, ne? So this is the market for ama energy drink, 4 to 5 billion. No public data backs the 1 billion figure, echoing past and confirmed rumors like Coca-Cola deal. Yes, kahle nje officially lana kuchazwa khona ukuthi lento le yaqala ngo-2015 ehambisana kanye noSphiwe Shongo noma isingisambe si-broken there and there, but now sengikwenzela kahle ke manje ngolimi lwasekhaya. So abantu abaningi bebelo bechazeka ukuthi no ayikho lento eshow Mabura udlela ngathi usijwayela kabi. Okokuqala nje lento ayishoyo ayikaze ibe khona, and futhi as a black owned business engeke izikwazi ukuthi ingapenetrate leyo 4 to 5 billion market wazo lama drink lawa ama energy drink. Bazi bachaza ukuthi kunenye ke iruma yake abakhona yokuthi mhlawumbe uCoca-Cola wakwazama ukuyithenga. Usizo Dlomo nje ukuqala uvele wathi bathathe babura. So we're gonna run through the comments siza ukuthi abantu bathini. Please nawe ungashare yakhe comment and tell me what you think about the situation kaSbu. Do you really think uSbu ngempela denied a 1 billion rand kule South Africa nje? Mina I will take but maybe angakwenza lokho because kunomjida waka MTN nayo ukuthi bemnika a certain amount of billions wathi no. Okay, asiqhubeke. Nangu Mr. Bet, do you know how long does it take to build a company that ultimately gets valued at 1 billion South African rand? I guess we all from Kuruman. Here's the first clip we can run. Siza ukuthi la uyingekathi echaza khona koSbu ake silaleleni bafethu. Play my clip. Okay.
Why haven't you sold it?
Yeah, that's a good question. The last opportunity that we had was to let it go for about it be.
And you said no?
Yeah, you've got
Wow.
business partners in this thing. Some want to sell, some want to cash out. But now you are interested. But what's nice is that that's validation. You're on the right track. And most of the time, never interested to buy.
They want to cool you down and push other brands, right? They're buying you out of competition.
Yes. And those who are genuinely
But
interested
I mean, are you not selling? Like you said, you've got partners. Are you too invested in it? It's your baby. Is there an aspect of that, or you think it's got legs still? You still got.
So before I answer the question, let me tell you something. Any brand or any company is valued as much as the next person is willing to pay for it,
yeah.
right? If ungaba nje humble nyana or ube patient nyana on qhubeka ngaleso struggle in a year or two or even maybe less,
Could be more.
there might just be someone else or bona bangabuya with more. There's never going to be anybody else who's going to come and offer you less than this.
And already that means you now know you are worth at the very least.
Thank you.
Whether it's in your pocket or not.
Or not. Yeah, that also requires heart, requires patience. It requires a solid mind, courage,
So, khona la uthi khona la ku Twitter kuyona under this video uthi, why the exaggeration though? He could have said it's a lot of money. Let's look at more comments, guys. Please drop the like and please this time around let's talk about indaba kaSibu Mfethu. This guy usiyamazi nathi uthi he's a hustler waqoshwa lapha kaMetro ngenxa yayo le energy drink, and simbonile futhi egijima laphayana noSpeedy. I show Speed. Tell Speed about this whole thing yakhe lana. DJ Sbu says he once rejected 1 billion rand offers to Mo Fire. He says he believes and he believe in patience and humbleness could lead to an even bigger deal in the future. That's another question. Was this a smart move or a missed opportunity? Maybe let's let's put it that way. Is it a smart move, or maybe is it a missed opportunity? All right. Bengikazi asale mfethu uChris Excel. He thinks we all from Khlokhlu. Yeah. DJ Sbu before the podcast interview. Wow, guys, did he have to go all the way there? Come on, my friend. This is Babura, my friend. What? I just want to hear you coughing. This is nice. I like to laugh. Most Sbu song over. I will meet him one day. Yes.
One thing.
Cheers, sir. Yey mbabe to yakhe. I am ngempela. Okay, let's go on. Guys, what do you really think about this whole situation? Mina mfethu uMabura, I'm telling you right now, udlala ngathi I ukuthi ngimthatha kancane, but I don't believe ukuthi Imofire isingabiza 1 billion rand buyout. It cannot be. Maybe we are wrong. If there's someone out there who knows exactly what happens here, cela nje bafethu afake nje comment, sizobe sesidila nayo comment kwi-comment section, sibuze imibuzo le efanele siyibuze irrelevant yokuthi ngenzeka kanjani. Guys, come on, my bro. This is so nice. This is so nice. This is so nice. Let's carry on. I want to see more reaction from abantu ku Twitter, because this thing has been blowing Twitter ngendlela engangathi ngiyibone. Uhlovo uthi hey, he's bullshitting. 1 billion. Get out. Uthi Mr. Dick, man must just go back to hacking trees. Mofire is worth 1 billion. This Nyayope is dangerous. Yeah. Akusho mina kusho Mr. Dick. And also we have Honorable Doctor, Civil Engineer, fine man without pimple. What are you laughing at, Dinangwe? Uthi Slaughter laphana, this is a good slide. This is a good liar. Why, guys? Can you believe me if I say this is another strategy, Sasbu, to market lento ye-Mofire. Ukhumbule uSibu usebenzisa lento ekuthiwa i-guerrilla marketing. Because I asked myself as well, why uSibu won't be ku-TV ne-Mofire, or maybe ama-ads on YouTube or emaphepheni or something, but he does this thing. I think he's more like Kanye West type of mentality. That's why he just said this 1 billion rand. But I'm not sure. It's up to you guys. Do you really think this is a good opportunity wasted, or maybe it's a strategy for future benefits? Angazi. It's the fact that he doesn't even own the manufacturing capability, only the brand. He thinks we all from Tembisa. Kuthiwa only ngisho ne-manufacturing side of it, but when onarisha i-brand, so manje ucathi thina siphuma eTembisa. Delusion is real. One day I'll tell you a story. Usibu himself told me, and nizohleka ukhumo, maybe someone very close to Usibu lana. Ucathi lona sabasihamba skrali. Mofire has become a solid brand, and evaluation should also look into how much they have invested in it. The trajectory for energy drinks, the number of stores they managed to gain entry into. Lokho asikwazi ukuthi njengoba echaza lo bongani, this is a solid brand, and i-evaluation yakhona kufanele ngabe iyasikhombisa ukuthi sebe-investe into engakanani kuwona le drink le energy drink, nakuthi zingaki iy'tolo asebengene kuzona. But lokho is bengeke aze asale uSoliphenduka ukuthi wow. Meanwhile, teachers were forcing himself to 20-year-old I show speed, and after refusing, I want guys, the money lena. Okay, ngizoyivala lana. I think moral authority is trying to make sure ukuthi lento shows uyenze ibe valid and making sense. Uthi lana, let me put it this way so you guys can see as well. Zenza kanje. Khona nizoyibona lento engishoyo. Because last sikhuluma ngento serious. Okay, let me go back. All right, Nance. Yes, South African beverage manufacturer Twiza has been sold to the beverage company, IBEV company, a subsidiary of India-based Verum Beverages Limited for 2.1 billion. The deal was officially finalized by March 31st, 2026, putting the brand under the control of one of Pepsi's largest bottling partners. Okay, key details of the acquisition. Ubaya Verum Beverages Limited, owned by Ravi Jaipura, should say India, uyithenge purchase price imali athenge ngayo 2.1 billion rand in cash. Strategic goal: expand Verum Beverages presence in Africa, leveraging Twiza manufacturing facilities and distribution network. Context: the sale was facilitated by Standard Bank as part of a competitive process. All right. So basically, like what I think moral authority is trying to say, yes, Usibu had a potential. Maybe these guys, they can always come back. Maybe coming back with more money, with more with more exposure, with more whatever. But Utwiza is not an energy drink. It's a cold drink, soft drink. And then last khuluma kahle ngama energy drink. Errol uthi unamanga So guys, what do you think about this whole situation? Let's find out in the comment section. Mina nje, I don't want to lie, ngicabanga ukuthi uSbu is just trying to market into yakhe futhi again nge-strategy esithize esingasazi lesi esisibona manje. Siyabonga kakhulu guys, please make sure ukuthi uyaqhubeka ukubuka amanye amavidiyo akhona la kwi-podcast where we talk about different topics and different reports. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, support, and make sure phela guys you subscribe to my channel. Yes, by the way, I'm gonna be joining Amazon. I'm gonna be making sure guys ukuthi kunama-product engicathi niyafisa ukuwabona nokwathola menifuna ukwenza ama-podcast like mics, like ama-lights lawa siwasebenzisayo and cameras. Thank you so much guys, see you soon.